In this video, we will show you how to crochet this wavy border. One thing to remember is that you always have to have an even number of stitches, so something divided by 2 when you crochet this border. So grab your project, and I recommend that you crochet 1 round of single crochets. You can easily crochet in all stitches. I suggest start in the corner, through, and make a loop. We will start in this same stitch that we started in. So we will go under the first hole here, pick up the yarn, pull through, then go under the next hole, pick up the yarn, pull through. That's the step 1. So go down, pick up the yarn, pull through. In the next stitch, go down, pick up the yarn, pull through. That is 2 single crochets together. Pick up the yarn, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1, and then yarn over your crochet hook, and then we will make a half double crochet kind of around. So go around this stitch, pick up the yarn and pull through so that you have 3 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull through all 3. Okay, so we will do the same. Go down in the next stitch that we have not crocheted in yet. Pick up the yarn, pull through. And in the next, pick up the yarn, pull through. 3 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull through all of them. Chain 1. And then yarn over your crochet hook and go around this single crochet together that we did. So in here. 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through all of them. Go down in the next 2, pick up the yarn, pull through. Chain 1, yarn over, go around the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through all 3 loops. So in the next 2, chain 1, yarn over, go around the stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull through all. And when you come to the corner, just continue doing exactly the same as we have done, but do not crochet too tight in the corner. You can crochet a bit looser in the corner. Just continue like this all the way until you're back at the start. The last one. And then just go down here at the top hole. Pick up the yarn and pull through. And your project has gotten a new nice border.